this one. So I'd like to make you an offer.
Okay.
I got $1 with your name on it.
Okay.
Would you take $1?
I'll take $1.
You take $1?
Take $1. You got it.
We're on our way to go look at a private jet. Not just any private jet. Very likely the world's cheapest private jet. Don't ask me how I get myself into these things, but I do. What happened was I got a call from a buddy. He's like, hey, I've got a guy who needs to get rid of this private jet. He mentioned Citation. So, okay. And he said, get down here now. Great. So I got in the car and we're all heading down there right now to go check it out. I have no idea about anything on this thing. I doubt it flies because he just wants to get rid of it, because obviously if it flew, that would be awesome. But beyond that, I know nothing about what we're getting ready to go see. I'm pretty excited, a little nervous and scared, because you guys have seen the things that I buy. I mean, if you think I should just go ahead and buy it, hit the thumbs up now, and we'll just figure out how to deal with the rest of it, the aftermath, after it happens. That'd be pretty neat. Yes, you're probably asking yourself, why aren't you working on the 310? Because it's a private jet. And how do you not? Just, okay, let's go look at a private jet. Yeah, if we were studious with our time, yes, we probably should be on our way to work on the 310. But this is Jimmy's world, where things just happen. A lot of unplanned things. I mean, it's a private jet. Really? That's fantastic. This is happening. There's a hangar with jets in it.
I'm really excited.
I know. Fuel truck.
Fuel truck.
Hey, we could use one of those. We got, daggone, there's a lot of jets over here. There's a Citation there. That one looked really nice, so I doubt it's going to be that one. That one's moving. I doubt it's going to be that one. Sweet! We got our gate pass. I've got my lucky shirt on, my lucky belt buckle, and my lucky socks. So we're gonna see if we can get a deal. Man, this looks like an A36. Got some 72s. Hey, there's an Aztec right there. Okay, so looks like they need a little work. That'll buff out, polish out.
Think it'll start? Hey, good to see you. Good. This is Josh. He runs the place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you think it'll start?
Yeah, a little bit of fuel. And just, no, we drained the fuel, so it ain't gonna go.
I know. I'll just hold the lighter over there and you just spread some fuel.
Let me show you what I got so we can get started.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
I'll get with you guys.
All right.
Thanks, Josh.
All right, so what we're doing is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's 2 over there. We're taking this one here in a few minutes. We're gonna roll it up. They're finishing the last couple things off of it. We're taking it to scrap yard.
Okay.
Because I already got my goodies off.
Can we go check out the insides of them? And
Yeah, absolutely. Yep, you can take. Let me show you. We'll start. This one's done, but let me take you over here. Yeah. Take a look inside.
Dude, make an office chair out of one of these things?
Yep, you could. This one has the interior in it. It's got the drop-down shades too, the sides.
Really? Oh, it does. The oxygen,
Yeah.
in case you lose pressure at altitude. The bag may not inflate, but there will be oxygen flowing. Hey, we even got an oxygen mask.
Yeah, they're all in the ceiling.
Oh, come on!
It smells infinitely better than the 310.
Yeah, it smells way better than the
small planes
310.
have a weird smell.
Well,
No, this one, you never did see the 310.
No, I didn't.
No, so it
yeah,
was
this has
Mighty Mouse.
This has those tables fold out. They lift up and fold out. See that table?
Perfect, yep.
Comes out and it lays down. So
Will we be able to hack that?
yeah, you can hack that one out there.
Snag a couple of these chairs? Because I'm just gonna make like office chairs out of them.
Yeah. Yeah, see, I got to get out electronics out of it. Ceiling, see them up there.
Okay.
That overhead might be a cool piece to take out.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Whack
Off one of the yokes.
Yeah, well, these are actually good to sell.
Oh.
Because they have trim switches and all on them.
Oh.
Yeah, they're pretty valuable. Well, we are, but we're going to cut the yokes off, pull out the instruments. Yeah, I'm gutting them, but I don't.
We should take this for the heated pitot and put on the Lance Air. Well, they need a little bit of work. A little bit. What do you think I should do with the airplane if we end up getting it? How can we use the parts and other things for something really cool? Put it in the comment section below on what you think we should do with the airplane, assuming we can strike a deal with it. Landing light, struts. Oh, we got lots of wasp nests. Well, that's a pretty good size one. Bird's nest.
Yeah, there's one in the nose of the other one.
Can of chewing tobacco.
Oh, it's mine.
All right, what do we got over here? Hey, we got all kinds of servos and everything else in here. A heater or something there. Here, go ahead and take a peek in there. Hey, we got our fire extinguisher.
Sweet.
Oh, not charged. Apparently somebody needed that one. This will blow your mind. This Bonanza, worth more than all these private jets put together.
Yeah.
Hey, this one, oh no. That'd be kind of cool though.
Yeah, it's got the pilot still. Hey, it's got flight controls or engine controls. Maybe we just take those and modify them for the 310.
Engine swap on the 310.
Dual turbine.
Yes. Don't forget, I put out videos every Wednesday and Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure to hit that bell and that subscribe icon so you can be alerted. And I always hang out in the comments section for about 15 minutes, so I'd be love to connect with you in there. Also, ta-da! We are gonna go live. We're gonna start a live show coming up very soon, so you're not gonna wanna miss that. We're gonna answer some questions, hit some news, do some all kinds of fun things. Here's an idea. Go live working on the airplane so we can connect right there where the airplane is. Hit the comments section below. Let me know what you think our topics should be, what subjects we should cover, what our live show should look like. So we just found out that he wants to get rid of that fuel truck as well. He said 500 bucks, but I think we can paper, rock, scissor, or flip a coin, and we can get it for free if we can start it. It hasn't been ran in a while. I'm gonna go check it out. That's a lot of rust. Ooh, look at that. Oh, the doors. Hey, it's got the wide doors on it. Oh, the gas pedal's sitting over here. That may not be a good sign. It's rusted all the way through back there.
Yeah, I was excited.
Look, the whole roof.
Oh yeah, if we get that on the interstate.
That thing just woo.
Yeah.
Is there any fuel in it?
Jimmy, the answer to your question is yes.
What? How much? The fuel might be worth more than the truck.
I don't know if that fuel's any good.
Filters, due date. 2/14/2009. A sludge test in 08. Slightly out of date. This is pretty rough. Oh. Oh, that's not good. That was just sitting on there.
That's not fuel.
Water?
Yeah. Straight water.
Yeah, I can even smell fuel on that.
No, that's straight water.
That's not good.
That's fantastic.
Oh, there's no
hoses.
hoses.
I'd say let's lift the cab, but
I'm afraid it would fall off if we went that way. It would just keep going. Yeah, got a little Bondo action here.
yeah.
Yep. That has a certain aroma to it. That certain old car aroma. It's got permanent air conditioning right through the floor.
How do you start this thing?
Right here.
Oh.
Old school military style. Oh, and then you got the key thingy right here. The key is permanently
On.
They've taped the key to the ignition so you wouldn't lose it. Because nobody's going to steal it, that's for darn sure. Yeah, look at this. It's rusted all the way through the cab. I bet you a couple of good hits, that whole roof is coming off.
I don't know. I think the expanding foam is structural. It might help.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'm up to date on tetanus.
All right, sit rep. Yeah, we're not buying this thing. This is so far past even remotely kind of.
It's less than.
He would have to pay to get rid of it.
Yeah. Oh, because the lid up here is open.
Oh, that would explain why it's full of water.
If I'm honest, I'm a little afraid to walk up here. Because, yeah, but look, I'm not even going out there. This is sketchy. So the lid was open on this fuel truck. So all the liquid that's in here is just water. Yeah, got a little bit of rust. A little bit of rust. I bet. Oh, yeah, there we go. Look at that. That.
You turn this thing around in about 3 weeks.
That goes through.
Okay, maybe 4.
You know? Oh.
It might be worth $500 for the engine.
I doubt that. The other fuel truck he said they wanted to sell because it's a manual transmission and nobody under the age of 30 knows how to drive one. Well, I can drive one just fine. And that'll be my security, my anti-theft device.
Millennial anti-theft.
A millennial anti-theft device is a manual transmission. Put in the comments section below how much you would pay for one of these jets. What do you think the cheapest private jet is? Let's go find out.
What we'll do is, I'm gonna leave.
Yeah.
But now there is 2 halon bottles. You all know what the halon bottles are?
Fire retardant.
Very good. You might want to take a look in there. They are explosive.
Sweet.
You don't want to be taking a wrench, putting them next to them to arc them to blow them.
Okay.
We don't get any saws around it either because they got enough to blow off an arm. Because if you saw through it by mistake trying to take them out, we're not taking them out. We're leaving them.
Okay.
So I want to point to them where they are. Stick your head on in there.
Hey, maybe we get a firearm and just.
We blew some up. We had the fire department blow some off because we put some holes in them. Right up top there. Take a look inside. Put your head in there. You'll see some round balls. Yep. They look like a big grapefruit ball.
Oh, I see them.
You see them up there up top?
Yep.
Those are the explosives. Yep. So, but if you look inside to the left, there's some yellow tape. Everything with a piece of yellow tape we want to remove. There's about 8 pieces of tape in there.
Okay.
So if one of you guys want to remove those pieces like this one right here, all you do is take a screwdriver and you take that box off and then that wire, just cut that wire about an inch past it.
Okay.
Never cut it to the end because some of them, if you cut them too close,
Here.
you can unplug it if you wanted to.
Okay.
It's a nice way, but typically if it's got no plug here, like this one doesn't, that would be nice to unplug it. Most of them are plugged here and there,
Okay.
so you can cut them. But this one, I'm glad you pointed that out. That would be nice to just snip it, unplug it right here, and it comes with it. Because what happens is now they got to solder an end back on.
Yeah.
There's only a few of them like that. So we have that, and then we need to get the seats out, and then pull up the floorboards, and see if there's any goodies in the floorboard. Pull down the headliner, and then we got all the instruments in the front cockpit, and they all come out with filled screwdrivers. And when you take the 4 screws out, you pull the instrument out, you come behind it, and you just take the dikes about 3 inches behind the plug. And then whatever we want to pick out for goodies for you, we can pick out inside.
Okay.
And then this one's gonna go next. And then our other crew will be taking off the tail section.
Okay.
And we already got the flaps off.
Okay.
Already cut the outer wings.
So I'd like to make you an offer.
Okay.
On the plane over there.
Okay.
I got $1 with your name on it.
Okay. Well, is it not my name?
Well, no.
Whose name
is your name Washington?
No, it isn't.
No. Would you take $1?
I'll take $1.
You take $1?
Take $1. You got it. Thanks.
I own a private jet now. That's weird. He might have got the better end of this deal, I think. Let's go see what we bought.
What's in the cabinet?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Ah! Heads up.
Let's open the little shelf.
Wait. Ah, some gum.
Ooh, still good?
I don't know. Let's eat some. Hey, there's one piece left. Slightly discolored. Give me a thumbs up if you want me to eat this. I hate you guys.
Y'all happen to see a face shield in there?
Still minty. Says it's to whiten teeth and remove stains. This is unpleasant. What's the date on this? That's gross. Nah, it's actually not bad. You know, it just dawned on me. I don't have a pickup truck or any way to get any of these parts, let alone a whole airplane and fuselage, out of here. Man. Now we gotta figure out how to get this stuff home. Nice, that's loud. These remind me of the seats in our minivan. They weigh like 1,000,000 pounds.